Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2018 Audi Q7 with the 3.0 supercharged engine. We have two problems in this car. One of the problems is leaking coolant underneath the supercharger. It's from the thermostat housing. And second problem we have is the valve for the oil. The code is gonna be P164E00. This is the part that you guys are gonna need. I'll leave it right here, the part number. The price, you can see it here, it's like 109 my price, list price is 136. We're gonna remove first of all the valve. We gotta take the belt out. We gotta drain the coolant, remove the AC compressor on the side, and after that we're gonna fix the oil, the coolant leaking. So guys, I'm gonna put you on stand, and please, if you have any question, let me know so I can help you out. So guys, actually let me show you, you can see it from here. That is the valve, and that is the bolt of the valve. If you have a long extension, I didn't even think from the beginning, but if you have a long extension, you can come from this side and try to take the bolt out and remove the solenoid. Now let me try to put it back and see if it works from this side. Okay guys, finally we had the supercharger out. It's not hard. It's like 3 of nuts you gotta remove from one side, 3 from the other side. You gotta disconnect these 3 hoses. I marked them just in case so you don't, cross them. In the back you have the harness. You got 3 clips. One is right here, one is down there, there's my finger, and another one is here. You have one connector. Don't forget about this one when you install it back. It's a line for vacuum line. If not, we're gonna have a check engine line. Now we're talking about the coolant. You can see coolant everywhere here. This is because of the thermostat. We have to remove the pipe. If I'm not wrong, we have to remove the manifold if you want it this side. I will try to do without, but I don't think it's possible. I tried before, never worked. And that's not fun, because you gotta change all the gaskets, brand new. In our case, the customer doesn't want to pay for new gaskets, so I don't care. We're gonna use the old one. But normally you gotta change the gaskets. You have one set here and one set down. To remove the manifolds, you gotta take the injectors out. They have 6 injectors, 3 right here. 1, 2, 3. This is the updated version. The old version has only 6 injectors. This one has got 12. So 2 per bank. 1 at the top, 1 bottom, direct injector. because I'm out, I'll replace the water pump too. I have it in stock, so I'm not gonna be cheap. I'll replace it. It's part of the job, whatever. So yeah, let's have some fun, guys. Guys, we got everything out. By the way, we don't have to remove the intake from this side. You can remove the injectors only. They're right here. On this side you gotta remove the injectors and the manifold. We have the thermostat out. You can see all this coolant was leaking from here on the gasket. We have a new part, original from the dealership. The part number is 06 Echo 121111. Comes with the gasket on the top, on the bottom. Now let's clean everything here, let's put it back, and let's test it. Okay guys, we did everything. We did the thermostat, we changed the valve for the oil pressure. I have the computer right here. Let's scan it one more time. I have to take it for a spin and see how it runs. Okay. So we have only one code here for the data bus. OBD interface. engine. Nothing here. Let's check the OBD. Let's see if some codes are still even pending, because we used to have the code for the sensor. Put this. Yes. PTC in this ECU 0. Okay, nice. Now let's take it for a spin and see how it runs, because the check engine light used to come back in like probably less than 5 minutes of driving, maybe 2 minutes. Let's see how it runs. And guys, sorry that I didn't show every single step, like how I took everything out. It's been a lot of hours. I'm not gonna post a video for like, you know, 7 hours of work. I just have to cut everything. Seems to run good. Now we have 92,306. Let's drive like for 10 minutes and we'll see if something comes back or not. See you soon. Okay guys, a little update on the Audi Q7. I drove the car for like 25 minutes, probably like maybe say half an hour. I have right now 92,321. I'm staying with my little friend here on the right side, looking at the codes if something, you know, comes back. Nothing back, everything seems to be good. Before we can erase the codes and take the car for a spin, and in like maybe 5 minutes the codes are coming back. Right now I have like half an hour and the oil pressure is high, everything is good. The coolant stays at 90 degrees Celsius. So officially the car is done. Again, I'm really sorry for the video, like, you know, I can't take the camera, guys, and put it in the spot, like, you know, it's very tiny spot, so it's hard to put the camera and show you exactly step by step everything. I tried my best. I'm new on the YouTube. I don't know exactly how other people do this stuff. Maybe they have a second person who is recording everything. I do not have. I have to do everything by myself. But again, if anyone needs, my opinion or maybe any help, you guys can comment down below, and I will try to help you out somehow. Maybe send you some pictures, video, or maybe just explain to you what you have to take it out. But again, thank you for watching, and